Any further questions on 3? Because I know I didn't come and actually check in with each group. Okay, so then for 4 and 5, these are a little different because you are not given a leg. Somebody mind getting the door? Gabe, can you open the door, please? You are not given a leg, you are given the hypotenuse. So these are different. This is where simplifying with radicals comes in. All right, so here, I think this was also meant to have an X in it to show you that this was a 45, 45, 90. Oops, 45, not 49. So here, you're trying to find the leg. So X, you're trying to find what L is, or X, and you're given the hypotenuse. Okay, so can you look at that and identify what X is? Anybody know what X is going to be? X is 5. So yes, if X is L, and we have 5 square root 2, and that is L square root 2, L must be 5, so X is 5. Okay, but a way to kind of show this is I could replace X, since X is going in place of L, I could put X in for L into this formula and say my hypotenuse is going to be X times the square root of 2. And then I can replace, I know the hypotenuse is 5 square root 2, so that's going to equal X square root 2. And if I wanted to solve for X, I would have to divide by the square root of 2. And when I do that, the square root of 2 cancels out on both sides, and I'm just left with X is 5. Okay, so I'm showing it that way because the next one, you're going to have to set up that way. So let's look at 5 as well. So we have our hypotenuse is 12. We're told both legs are X, so we know this is 45, 45, 90 since the legs are the same. And so this is my hypotenuse. It's equal to the leg times the square root of 2, and my leg is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for L, which is X. And I know some of the variable terms, I'm trying to use the L and H from up here. I'm not trying to confuse you with all of the different variables. So what I'm going to do is, again, how I set this up here, I'm going to put X in for L into this formula. So H is equal to X square root 2. And I know my H, I'm given that, it's 12. So 12 is X times the square root of 2. I solve for X, so I have to divide by the square root of 2. It cancels out on the side with the X, and I'm actually going to flip this around also so it's X equals. So I get X equals 12 divided by the square root of 2. And I want you to give your answers as exact. We talked about this when we simplified square roots. You cannot have a square root in the denominator. How do I get rid of this? Yeah, I have to multiply top and bottom by the square root of 2. Okay, so on the top, I get 12 times the square root of 2. That's 12 square root 2 over, on the bottom, square root of 2 times square root of 2 will just be 2. It's the square root of 4, so it's 2. And then this 12 and 2 are not in a square root. You can simplify those. So I divide them both by 2. 12 would become 6. Denominator of 2 becomes a 1, so I no longer need the denominator. So X is really 6 square root 2. So as you can see, these problems might be really simple if you're given a leg and you're trying to find a hypotenuse. They can be longer problems to solve if you're given the hypotenuse trying to find a leg. But make sure what you're given, you understand how to find what's missing. Okay, are there questions on 4 or 5? This is going to take some practice, and that's why you have a practice assignment tonight, and all of tomorrow is going to be practice with this because it's important, and I know it takes practice. All right, next we have the other type, 30, 60, 90 triangles. And I'm going to show you again, like I showed for the last one, how to come up with a formula, or where the formula comes from, is what I'm going to show you. So I'm starting with an equilateral triangle. What do you know, first of all, about equilateral triangles? All sides are congruent. Anything else? What? It is a triangle. So all sides are congruent if it's equilateral. What else is congruent? What do you know about the angles? Angela? They're all the same. And does anybody know what they are? How many degrees? They're all 60 degrees. So, how I'm going to do this, I'm going to draw in the altitude, which is the height. And that means I'm dropping it down. An altitude or a height is always perpendicular to the base. So as you can see, if I draw in the altitude, I'm again creating two 90-degree or two right triangles. I'm only going to label one. Okay, so this angle down here is an original angle from the triangle, and we said all angles in an equilateral triangle are 60. So this is a 60-degree angle. And then the altitude for an equilateral triangle, when I drop this down, it cuts this angle up here in half, which means it's created two 30-degree angles. And that's where you get a 30, 60, 90 triangle from. So now if I call this side, I'm going to use the variable s. I don't usually like to use s because my s's look like 5s, but they use s down here, and I don't want to use two different variables. So I'm going to call this side s. S is representing the short side. The reason why this is the short side, it is opposite the smallest angle, or it's called the short leg, if you want to think of it that way. So it's opposite the shortest angle, the short leg, they use S. My hypotenuse then, so try to follow me on this. If you get lost, let me know. Because this altitude cuts this side in half, this over here, even though I'm not labeling both of these, this would also be S. So together, this entire side is 2S. The reason that's important is that means all three sides of the big triangle are 2S. So my hypotenuse is 2 times S. Really trying to make it look like an S and not a 25. So it's 2S, not 25. All right, and then my altitude is what I don't know. So I'm going to call this A for right now, and then show you with Pythagorean theorem how to get A. So I have my two legs, S and A, and my hypotenuse 2S. So by Pythagorean theorem, I would say A squared plus my other leg is S squared. That should equal my hypotenuse 2S quantity squared. This is an S, sorry, not an 8. Yep. Trying to make, I know my S's are going to end up looking like a bunch of different numbers. That's an S. Okay, so then I'm going to leave this right now. This is A squared plus S squared. 2S quantity squared, that is 2S times 2S. So that is 4S squared. 2 times 2 is 4. S times S is S squared. Okay, and now I'm solving for A. I'm trying to find a formula for the altitude. So I would subtract S squared, and that's 1S squared. So I get A squared is 4S squared minus 1S squared is 3S squared. And then to solve for A, I would take the square root of both sides. Where did what come from? I'm using S's. There's no 5s up here. There's no, they're all S's. I just said they're all S's. Okay, so I would split this kind of like I did the last one, square root of 3, square root of s squared. Because the square root of s squared is just going to become s. And then I know the square root of a squared is just a. So overall, I get the altitude is equal to s multiplied by the square root of 3. All right, so again, why I'm showing you this, a lot of formulas you're just given, and maybe you don't wonder where they come from, but I want you to see where this comes from. This comes from something you already know. You know the Pythagorean theorem. So I don't want you to just say, oh, this is the formula and not know why. I'm not ever going to ask you to recreate this, come up with the formula, but at least you can see where it's coming from. I know going through this sort of thing, some of you might be confused, but as long as you know it comes from Pythagorean theorem, that's what I want you to understand. So here's your 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. You always have your short side, it's opposite the 30-degree angle. So your short leg is S. And your long leg is S, the short side multiplied by the square root of 3. And the hypotenuse is twice as long as the short side. So if you know how long the short side is, you can use the short side to find the other two sides of the triangle. And so up here, if you wanted, well, actually, let's just leave this. I want to come down here. You have all the formulas here. Nothing really. I think I was just going to have you write in, like the short side is being represented with S. So, but for 6, so here we're trying to find two different variables, X and Y. We might not go through all 4 of these. I'm going to kind of pick and choose which ones I think are going to explain the most. So we'll go through 6 for sure. So we have our 60-degree angle here. Here's 90. That tells us we have a 30, 60, 90. The 30 just wasn't written in. So let's label with our formulas what we have. So opposite the 30-degree angle where X is, that is our short side. All right, then Y is our hypotenuse. So that is 2 times the short side. And where the 15 is, that is our long side. So that is our short side multiplied by the square root of 3. So the only thing I know right now is the long side. I know that's 15. So this is where I'm going to set up an equation. I'm going to say S multiplied by the square root of 3 is equal to 15. And I'm going to solve that for S. Okay, to solve for S, I have to divide by the square root of 3. So I have S equals 15 over the square root of 3. Like we did in the last example on the front, when you have a radical or a square root in the denominator, I have to multiply by square root of 3 on top and bottom. So on the top, I get 15 square root 3 over, on the bottom, square root of 3 times itself will just be 3. And then for this one, the 15 over 3 can be simplified. So 15 divided by 3 would be 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So S is equal to 5 square root 3. Once you know S, you can find everything. So let's now look, because we're trying to find X and Y. So X, that is equal to just X. That means I just found X. X is really 5 square root 3. There's one of my answers. And then Y is 2 times S. So Y is 2 times 5 square root 3, meaning I just multiply the 2 and the 5. So Y is 10 times the square root of 3. Okay, are there questions on 6? I know that's a lot of steps and it's using formulas. So I would definitely recommend label your sides of your triangle with your formulas to figure out what you have and what you need to find. With 30, 60, 90, it's all about finding S. I also want to go through 7 would be very similar. So let's just take a look at number 8. We'll do one more and then I'll pass out your practice for this. And I just want you, like I said, you need to attempt the practice. We have tomorrow to practice as well, but you do have an assignment tonight. So with 8, I'm going to label what I have. Here's my 60 degree, 90, meaning this angle up here is my 30. So the angle or the side opposite the 30 degree angle, which is X, that is my short side, that is S. Opposite the 90, where the 10 is, that's my hypotenuse, so that is 2S. And then that means Y is my long side, which is S times the square root of 3. So look at what you know. You know the hypotenuse is 10. That is what you're going to use to set up an equation to find S. So I can say I know that 2S is equal to 10, meaning S is what? 5. S is 5. Divided by 2. S is equal to 5. Okay, so now I go back and just plug S in. To find X, X is equal to S. So that means X is just 5. And then Y is S times the square root of 3. So that means Y is 5 times the square root of 3. And that one's done. Okay, so that one, I will say it is most challenging for these ones if you are given the long side. That is when it's most challenging. If you're given the hypotenuse or you're just given S in general, then they're not too bad. But it's all about knowing what you have.